If anybody has any pointers here, I got a 2003 Honda CR-V. I'm getting a idle air control issue. It's a p0505, p1505 pending. Okay, race it as many times and it'll keep coming back as pending. I replaced the idle air control valve twice. The first one was aftermarket, having the same issue. I figured it was probably a bad brand. Got another one and still the same issue. I'm hoping it's not because it's aftermarket and I have to get an original one. Next step, I guess I'm gonna have to get a throttle body from the junkyard and just put that one in since it has all the sensors on it already. But there we go. This is the codes. Stays pending. As you can see. And that's what happens. Stays at 2000. I tried doing the idle relearn process where you keep it at 3000 RPMs. I had that in there for like 5 minutes, still no difference. I could accelerate and it would just hop and go back to 2000. Also, if I move this, if I move the steering wheel, it starts going crazy. It kind of makes it worse. Again, if anybody has any pointers, I changed all my hoses. I checked all the hoses. Everything is fine. I don't know if there's any leaks. Yeah. Don't know what to do, man. Appreciate any help, any advice. Thank you.